This is me with Mr. Beast. You see the handshake, you see the studio, you see the movement. This look real. Until I wake up. This video never happened. I made this entire scene using AI. And that's exactly why you need to watch this. I did not make this to lie. I made this to show you how powerful AI filmmaking has become. Because today a solo creator can create Mr. Beast level cinematic movement without a crew, without permission and without budget. In this video I will show you how I made this entire fact scene, which AI I use and how creator can use this responsibly for content, course and production. Only one AI, no tool hopping. The AI I use is called Higgsfield. It's one of the fastest growing AI video platform built for creators. If you can describe a scene, you can make a film like short. I don't think of Higgsfield as AI. I think it's as a virtual film studio. Describe the scene, it creates the visuals, you shape the final shot. That's it. And I also just describe the entire scene. Two creator in a modern studio, professional handshake, calm confidence, cinematic light, shallow depth of field. When this generated first time, I want something change because this looked like a real YouTube moment and that's both powerful and dangerous. I did not keep generating randomly. I changed one thing at a time. Lighting, camera distance, mood. That's how filmmaking works. And this is not for faking real people. This is for creating cinematic intros, course visuals, concept videos, story demos. You are showing ideas, not pretending reality. And why Higgsfield AI called for creators? Most creators lose attention in a first 5 seconds. Visual authority buy attention. Tell your content, build trust. And Higgsfield AI help you win that first battle. Why I like Higgsfield? I use Higgsfield because it feel like filmmaking, not prompt for funs, scene movements, control, and that's why this work. This video is fake, I know, but the opportunity is real. Creator now control the production and what you do with that power matters. If you want to experiment with this responsibly, I have linked Higgsfield below. Build smart. And wait.
Now I want to work on a new idea, not trend, not noise, something original, calculated but built to last long. I want to work on a new idea, but I'm struggling to find flipping pages and brainstorming something genuine and original that is worth to start. Then I keep writing, and at the end I came to know this. Why most AI animations fail on social media, and how to fix it.
Ever notice this? AI animation looks insane. Then suddenly the face changes, the style breaks, and the video feels fake. Social media doesn't care about effects. It cares about continuity. The same character, the same expressions, the same vibe, frame after frame. And this is where most AI tools fail. The same character, same face, same motion logic. That's why I started using Higgsfield AI. It doesn't just generate animation. It understands frame stability. This is perfect for social media animation. Relatable content, storytelling reels, short animated scenes. You can finally create content where the audience forgets it's AI.
Now how to create content with the help of Higgsfield. So for that you need first of all content idea. So for that I have already given a prompt for the content idea. Just look in the description. After that enter your niche or whatever type of content you want to make. Once you provide them a niche and a prompt, he will understand everything. Then you just have to go and ask for a content idea, as you can see, and then he will provide you the content idea, and then you have to ask for the script, and he will provide a word-to-word script with the dialogue and everything. Okay, now you think that okay, I have now script and everything, but how to generate images or the videos? So for that go for on Perplexity and write this, provide them a dialogue and the script, and then he will provide you a prompt to generate with the Higgsfield. If he give with the text, so just ask them remove the text and he will provide without the text. Now you got the prompts and everything, so you have to make the video with the hex field. So for that you have to go Nano Banana. You need character consistency, so you first have to generate a image, and with that image you have to go to a video AI, so like Clinch or any like Google VO3, you can use that, and with that you have to make like a video. Now let me show you what I have made with the help of hex field.
Real love isn't loud. It doesn't try to impress. It just feels safe. No drama, no fear, just peace. That's love.
Now like that, you can create many videos.
Not only this, hex field got many more features like face swap and character changes. These are the one of the more features, and you can also see video generation models like Clinch, Google VO3, Sora 2. One of the most useful and worth it is Cinema Studio, and also there is many image models like Nano Banana, Sea Dream, and many more you can see right here. And there is also motion controller that will help you to turn your image into any videos by sharing your image and the video, and it will help you make up perfect motions. As a content creator, I think that Hexfield is worth every penny because they have many unlimited models to use in their image generation and the video generation. At the end, I think that Hexfield is best in this field because they provide many services. We can use their AI videos as our stock videos and many things. They make our life more easy with their features.
If you want to make animated content that actually works on social media, try Higgsfield AI. Link in the description. Create once, stay consistent, scale content.